Shanghai Fude Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited, formerly known as Shanghai Chunqi Machinery Factory, belongs to Bori Industrial Group. It's located in Huqiaotang Industrial Park, Fengxian District, Shanghai, with convenient transportation and beautiful environment. The company brand name, SINOFUDE, was founded in 1998 as a well-known food machinery brand in Shanghai. After more than 20 years of development, it has developed from one factory to 3 factories, with a total area more than 30 acres and more than 200 employees. SINOFUDE introduced the SO901 management system for management in 2004, and most of its products have also passed the EU, CE, and UL certification. The company's product range covers all kinds of high-quality production line for chocolate, confectionery, and bakery production. 80% of the products are exported to more than 60 countries and regions in Europe, America, Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, Africa, etc. In the past 20 years of rapid development, we have continued to innovate and develop in the process and equipment technology of chocolate, confectionery, and bakery products. We have introduced advanced European and American technologies and greatly improved the processing and technological level of existing products. Since 2010, in order to ensure product quality, SINOFUDE adopts advanced processing methods to ensure high standard quality requirements for each component and appearance. High-power laser cutting can process more complex parts, high-end laser welding, friction welding machine, and tube welding machines, ensuring welding firmness and aesthetics, no sanitary corners. CNC sewing machine, CNC wire cutting improve processing efficiency and parts accuracy. CNC machining center, CNC inclined rail lathe, CNC drilling machine, CNC gantry molding machine, and other high-end processing equipment not only ensure the accuracy of the components, but also greatly improves the performance of the product and also make the final product more beautiful and durable. The SINOFUDE products range is mainly divided into 3 divisions: Chocolate Division, Confectionery Division, and Baking Division. Chocolate Division's products cover a series of chocolate raw material processing equipment, such as melting tank, Konjac refiner, holding tank, tempering machine, etc. Chocolate molding equipment series, such as semi-automatic chocolate molding machine, fully automatic single color, double color, sandwich chocolate molding production line, chocolate chips machine, etc. Chocolate product equipment series, such as chocolate coating pan, chocolate coating machine, oatmeal chocolate machine, etc. The products of the Confectionery Division cover automatic weighing and mixing systems, automatic jelly gummy candy production lines, automatic and semi-automatic starch mogul lines, automatic hard candy depositing line, automatic hard candy die forming lines, and automatic lollipop depositing lines, full automatic lollipop die forming line, toffee fondant depositing line, toffee and chewy candy production line, candy bar cereal bar production line, chewing gum bubble gum production line, and various small laboratory equipment, etc. The products of the Baking Division cover full automatic soft and hard biscuit production line, full automatic cookie production line, full automatic cake production line, etc. At the same time, we have also developed a lot of other food machines according to market development and needs. New products are put on the market, such as laboratory semi-automatic popping boba machine, an Arga Konjac boba machine, fully popping boba production line, an Arga Konjac boba production line, etc. SINOFUDE's core values are quality, integrity, responsibility, cooperation, sharing, and gratitude. We have always put quality first because we firmly believe that the foundation of the company's food health and development is to provide customers with high-performance products, plus professional and perfect pre-sales after-sales services. SINOFUDE will unswervingly continue this concept and strive to meet customers' expectations in terms of quality products, timely deliveries, competitive pricing, and reliable after-sales service. SINOFUDE will be a reliable business partner.